Everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Pixar car eyes edit on VN. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, go to your Chrome browser and search for car picture. So I'm going to download this car. Then go to your YouTube application and search for car eyes green screen. Scroll down, you'll be able to find many eyes with a green screen. You can see there are two videos, so I'm going to download these eyes. So after that I have downloaded VN application, so I'm going to show you how to edit on VN. You can also edit on other application like CapCut. So for today's video I'm going to use VN. So you have to click create new project, then go to your photo section and select that particular car. Okay, now tap on the upper layer. Now select video or photo. Now select that particular green screen that you have downloaded. So for downloading videos from YouTube, you can use any website or you can use Vidmat. So here it is. Now slide down the bottom options. You will be able to find the option chroma key. Here it is. Click on the chroma key. You can adjust the intensity. Click OK. Now you have to increase the size by dragging the corner like this. Now adjust it to the car front glass. Okay, now play the video. Here it is. You can see that how beautifully the effect has been added to the car. So this is how you can make it. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.